Hey boys and girls, today is our last day that we're going to be talking about all of our amazing ocean creatures. So guess what we're doing today? Today we're going on a virtual field trip. Now we can't get on the school bus, but we can go somewhere together. So what I'd like for you to do is you're going to see your slides and you're going to the Georgia Aquarium. So when you get to this slide, boys and girls, you're going to click here to enter the Georgia Aquarium. And we're going to go see some creatures under the water. And all of these cameras are live. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to see this page. You're going to scroll and you get to watch all the different fish that are swimming. But there's more in the aquarium, so let's go all the way down, and I want you can look at the sea lion. Not a lot's going on there, so just keep scrolling down at the bottom, and you can choose different webcams, and what I'd like for you to do is pick out 3 animals that you want to watch, and I'd say you probably need to watch them for, I don't know, at least 5 minutes just to see what they're going to do. My favorite thing, boys and girls, is to pick one fish. I'm going to pick this one and watch what it does. Watch where it goes. Is it going to eat? Now this fish keeps going up and down. Oh, now it's swimming around and it's moving over. But I like to pick one animal or one fish to watch for a long time just to see what it's going to do. Now, lots of other, if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll see lots of other animals that you can watch. I want you to have fun with this because you're going to write about it in your journal and you're going to tell me about your field trip on Monday. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what you choose to watch. Talk to you soon. Do your best. Bye.